Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize or set up the My Account page in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you can go to WooCommerce and then go to extensions so you can add more extensions that allow you to customize many items or many aspects of your WooCommerce plugin. So here I'm just going to add uh, account page. I'm just going to type account page, and from there we can search for any extension that will allow us to have many uh, customization for our account page. So you can here you can find the My Accounts page editor, you can find the customized account page in user dashboard, and you can use any one that you would like. You can use this one, etc. You will need just to click on it and add it to your plugin. And also you can use plugins so you can be able to use these extensions. So I'm just going to type again the same as I did, just type account page, and then we will need just to search for any plugin will be that will allow us to change for WooCommerce. So we can also add a keyword as WooCommerce to be able to change the WooCommerce account page or customize my account page. And you will need just to install now any thing for your website. And basically, after you choose any plugin that you would like, you will need just to click on it. And basically, I have already this Astra plugin that would allow me to add many things or settings to my account. And basically, I have the site identity, a header builder, footer builder, etc. And you can have more modulars, like having more items for it. And also in this one, I can have starter templates that would give me also some account pages that is already added in this plugin. So it depends really on your plugin, and after that you can go either to your site builder and you can start seeing or finding more about your account page, etc. And you can start adding all the customization. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.